celebration, southbound thru hikers on the Appalachian Trail toss their boots into this tree, knowing that the end is near. Opening day for trout.
This is how we go waterfall creeking. Take our bikes and our sticks, park a bike, go down the trail.
I think the best photo will be over here. Lori doing her online banking.
You would think this whole season going to part 5 on it. Looking at part 5. You're at 5.
At 4.
You hit 4.
Whatever. He's very competitive. He's gonna show me how it's done. Wait till it lands.
I'll take it 2.
You'll take it too. Good game.
Good game.
Helen, Georgia, a mountain town with Bavarian-style buildings, is busier than usual with its popular trout fishing tournament this weekend.
Nice big clump.
did not leave empty-handed. How cool it would be to run these rapids and to stop here for a lunch break. On our way to High Shoal Falls, we run into an obstacle. Rather than take the chance of bottoming out, we park P-dubs up the road and decide to ride our bikes up to the trailhead. Lori, the smart one, brought along her Mississippi mud boots and was able to make the crossing with ease. Me, on the other hand, had to find another course of action.
Make that.
Just walk it. Oh. Oh, he doesn't have Mississippi mud boots, that's why. You can't ride it.
I'm gonna ride it.
You can't.
Why not?
You're gonna fall. This guy's nuts.
The skinny tires on my bike made the crossing a bit precarious.
Made it!
I kept my legs spinning as quickly as possible in a very low gear.
Jesus.
Oh, we got an electric bike. So we decided on ditching the bikes. A little too difficult for Lori to come up. She's not comfortable on the loose gravel with her bike and definitely not going down. So we ditched them in the woods and we'll come back up for them, back to them on the way back. So we got about a half mile to go, 0.6 miles to go to the trailhead.
Making our way up to the top of Brasstown Bald Mountain, the highest point in Georgia at 4,783 feet. With no shuttle service available today, and pressed for time, I grabbed Lori's electric bike and rode it the rest of the way up to the top, while Lori hung out at the van till I got back. Great views from the top.
Laura's going to attempt it. So here we are at the base of the falls, Hurricane Falls, Tallulah State Park, Georgia. Lori made it down the stairs. Now she has about 630 steps to climb, plus a suspension bridge across the gorge,
Yeah.
and then 380 to get us to the other side, the North Rim. Will she do it before dark? Hasn't been going well today.
He's getting in his groove.
I was doing really well at Judy's. I don't know what happened.
This is a par 3, 301 yards. Oh, nope. I took the right spiral, or kicked in left.
All right, Laura. Laura's shooting straight, but not far.
We get off the main highway and take a 5-mile long, steep and windy road filled with hairpin turns that Laura successfully negotiates. Once at the top, we hope and pray that the parkway will be open all the way to our planned camp. Earlier we had received reports that parts of the parkway were closed for one reason or another. It was getting late. We camp here at Crabtree Falls Trailhead. Pressed for time, Laurie stays with P-Dubs while I grab my camera gear, food, and headlamp and head down the trail to the falls. How lucky I am to have these falls all to myself. I spend some time there and immerse myself in the wonder of it all. I quickly hike back with no daylight to spare. Up early the following morning, we head north for Linville Falls.
grandma sits and combs my sister's hair. I close my eyes and smell magnolias blooming, hear those riverboats go passing by. The home place lays a gentle touch upon me. Melancholy thoughts are reasons why. Today I've got old Dixie in my eye. Dixie